Hey friend, you don't look so good. Listen to some advice. You have a fever, your face is red. You should really go to bed. You shouldn't work, you shouldn't drive. You should be glad to be alive. You have a cough, you have a pain. You shouldn't walk out in the rain. You should see a doctor right away. You shouldn't wait another day. Take this pill, drink this tea. Listen to this advice from me. What should I do? What do you suggest? I think you should get some rest. I wanna learn, I wanna grow. You should study, don't be slow. I wanna buy a brand new car. You should save money in a jar. You shouldn't smoke, you shouldn't stress. You should wear your very best. You should see a doctor right away. You shouldn't wait another day. Take this pill, drink this tea. Listen to this advice from me. What should I do? What do you suggest? I think you should get some rest. It's a good idea. You should. It's a bad idea. You shouldn't. I think you should. I don't think you should. Just helping you out. You should take care. You should be kind. You shouldn't worry. Ease your mind. You should relax.